Yan mga Beshiwap, good morning. What's up sa inyo? So ngayon pupunta tayo ng BIR. Tayo ay magpapakukuha ng resibo. So, tapos papachange oil natin tong motor natin kasi naka 500 na 500 to 1,000 daw kasi.
Still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason, just let the world embrace us. In the silence we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the sun.
Thank you, sir. Okay na po?
Wala. Ready lang.
Sige po. Yung BI, sir. Ready. Bumanang pila. Ano? Pakahaba. Okay na, sir.
Walang mali? Walang mali?
Wala po. Okay na po. So ayun mga Beshiwap, nakuha na natin yung resibo natin. Meron na tayong resibo pag may bumili ng mga unit natin, may bibigay tayong resibo sa kanila. So yun lang mga Beshiwap, at punta naman tayo sa kasa sa may tansa. Tayo ay magpapa-change oil. 500 odometers na yung aking motor. So let's go mga bes. Nasaan na tayo? Malapit sa Wilcon. Ay, with Pure Gold.
Just for a moment, a flash of light you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the media's full of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to let you all right through, I'll be there to help you shine.
tayo mga Beshiwap sa Motor Central. So tayo ay magpapa-change oil na for the first time, for the very first time.
Nakakabili niyo siya. Camera. Tapos ang nag-stream. Sa 26,000. Mahal ang camera.
Datas kasi bro, kaya mahal. Pero yung mga mura ngayon, nasa balong datas. Ano lang, GoPro 07, 08.
Dalawa.
Salamat din po. Bilis ah. Wala pang isang buwan to, nandito na yung CR.
Ay, sa akin po.
Payment tayo, payment.
Sir, nakalagay yung overflight. Yan yung yan. Nakapitel yan, sir. Kahit lang. Hindi naman rin sa amin. Kasi muna-mura mo yung message.